Welcome to a world full of magic, color, and excitement. Are you ready to turn your celebration into a circus extravaganza? Whether it's a birthday or themed event, circus parties bring out the child in everyone. From vibrant tents to playful clowns, there's something for every age group. Today, we're diving into creative circus party decoration ideas. From DIY centerpieces to fun snack corners, we've got all the inspiration you need. So, grab your popcorn and let the fun begin. Make sure to watch till the end for bonus planning tips and tricks. What colors should I choose for a circus theme? Go for bold, eye-catching colors like red, yellow, blue, and white. These classic circus shades create a vibrant and festive mood. Use them in stripes on tablecloths, backdrops, and balloons. Try mixing in metallic gold or black for a modern twist. Color coordination helps bring the theme together visually. You can even assign color zones to different activities. Be sure to keep everything bright, cheerful, and playful. If you like this idea, give this video a thumbs up and let us know your favorite color combo in the comments. What kind of decorations suit a circus entrance? A circus starts at the entrance, so make it grand and magical. Use balloon arches in red, yellow, and blue for dramatic flair. Hang carnival-style banners with bold fonts and stars. Drape red curtains or fabric to mimic a circus tent opening. Add welcome signs like "Step right up" or "The show begins here." You can even add life-size cutouts of clowns or animals. Lighting and sound effects will take it to the next level. Love entrance decor ideas? Like the video and comment what you'd add to your circus doorway. How to decorate the cake table? The cake table is a focal point, so give it extra attention. Use a striped tablecloth and circus-themed cake stands. Add popcorn buckets filled with treats or candy jars. Place mini circus animals or carnival toys around the cake. Hang a big Top Sweets banner above the setup. Don't forget colorful confetti, candles, or light-up elements. Make it bright, sweet, and photo-ready for guests. Found this helpful? Hit the like button and tell us what you'd put on your cake table. What activities can I plan for kids? Keep kids entertained with hands-on and silly fun. Face painting is always a hit. Add glitter and bold colors. Plan a ring toss, duck pond game, or clown bowling. Include a mini magic show or juggling performance. Let kids decorate their own clown masks or hats. Set up a DIY prize booth with small toys or candy. Design activities that spark imagination and movement. Like these suggestions? Subscribe for more party games and activity ideas. What party favors go with the circus theme? Party favors can be simple, themed, and exciting. Try clown noses, animal crackers, or cotton candy bags. Mini stuffed animals or circus stickers are great too. Use popcorn boxes as favor holders with a thank you tag. Even plastic toy binoculars or whistles are fun options. Keep favors colorful and in theme with your decor. If you love creative party favors, hit that like and share this idea with a friend. How can I make it feel like a real circus? Set the mood with circus music and playful background tunes. Use lights like string bulbs or stage spotlights for drama. Include fun signs that say ring toss, popcorn, or tickets. Set up booths like candy floss or lemonade stands. Add a clown or magician performance if your budget allows. Use striped tents or umbrellas for an authentic feel. It's all about creating a fun, immersive atmosphere. Enjoying the vibe? Comment below how you'd bring the circus to life at your party. Is a circus theme good for all ages? Absolutely. The circus theme is timeless and versatile. Kids love the games and bright visuals, while adults enjoy the nostalgia. Customize the elements to suit your guest list's age. You can add more glam for adults or more cartoon flair for kids. Serve themed snacks and drinks for all age groups. Even older guests will love the photo booths and performances. It's one theme that makes everyone smile. Agree with that? Like, comment, and let us know who you'd throw a circus party for. Can I set up a DIY photo booth? Yes, and it's one of the most fun parts of any circus party. Use a striped or sequined backdrop with bright colors. Add fun props like clown wigs, mustaches, and red noses. You can include a ringmaster hat and carnival signs too. Frame the space with balloons, lights, or curtain streamers. Label it Smile Station to make it feel official. Guests of all ages will love capturing the moment. Like this idea? Drop a comment and tell us your favorite photo booth prop. A circus party isn't just a theme, it's an experience. It brings together fun, laughter, and unforgettable moments. With just a few creative touches, you can recreate the magic of the big top. From clown-inspired cupcakes to colorful balloon animals, everything adds charm. Even a backyard can feel like a carnival with the right details. Plan your zones: entry, photo booth, snack bar, and games area. Make it visually exciting and full of energy. Whether it's a child's birthday or an adult throwback bash, Circus always wins. So, start planning and let your creativity run wild. Enjoyed these circus party ideas? Tap that like button. Leave your thoughts or your favorite circus element in the comments. Share this video with someone planning a party. Subscribe for more fun themes and planning inspiration. Check the description box for the idea, checklist, and photo inspiration. Also, don't forget to view the full party planning playlist linked below. And follow us on social for more behind the scenes and tips.